Hi there! Today we're diving into the Recommendations module. Recommendations are a powerful way to inspire your customers and increase your average order value by showing the right products at the right moment. The Recommendations module consists of 3 parts: featured, up and cross-selling, and manual recommendations. Part 1. Featured recommendations. These recommendations allow you to highlight specific products, such as bestsellers or new arrivals, in galleries throughout your webshop. Navigate to Recommendations. Here you see an overview of all 3 recommendation types. You can filter them by clicking Type. To set up a featured recommendation, click on New and select Featured. Enter a name and set the desired amount of results. Under Selection, choose the category from which the system should draw products. You can also set a variation in results to ensure diversity using one of these 3 options. No variation. The system will simply show the top products based on your sorting rules without filtering for diversity. 1 item per subcategory. This ensures that you don't show multiple similar products from the same group, but instead provide a broader overview of different product types. 1 item per unique attribute value. This is a very precise way to create variety. For example, you can choose to show only 1 product per brand or per color, preventing your recommendation block from being dominated by a single attribute. Now we can add attribute conditions. With textual values like color, you can select which values you want to include or exclude using the operators here. With numerical values like price, you can choose the range here. You can keep adding conditions by clicking Add Condition. Next, you can use the layout to apply specific conditions to certain positions. Click on a position to select a component. After selecting, you can change the position by drag and drop. Click the 3 dots to edit, duplicate, or delete the component. You can also change the layout of this recommendation by clicking the icon here and selecting a builder template. If you want to start from scratch, simply unlink the current template and the layout will reset. Finally, select a sorting rule to determine the final display order of the recommended products. Click Save and exit. Part 2. Up and cross-selling. These recommendations are essential for increasing your average order value by suggesting relevant alternatives or matching items directly on your product pages. Click New and select Up and Cross-Selling. After naming your rule and setting the result amount, you start with the source item. This is where you define the specific context in which this recommendation is relevant. Here, you set the conditions that the product currently being viewed by the visitor must meet, such as belonging to a specific category or having certain attributes, before this rule is triggered. Next, we move to Selection, which is the most critical part of this module. This is where you determine exactly which products will be shown. First, select the category from which Tweakwise should draw the recommended products. Just like with featured recommendations, you can apply variation here, such as 1 item per subcategory or per brand, to ensure your results stay diverse. Attribute conditions is the core of your logic. Here, you set the attributes that the recommended products must meet. You can use fixed values, like color equals blue, or dynamic filters such as equal to sources. This feature allows you to automatically show products from the same brand or collection as the source item. You can explore various operators like greater than sources for upselling to more expensive items or not equal to sources to force variation in your results. Just like featured recommendations, you can optionally use the layout here, and you must select a sorting rule to define the final order. Finally, use group keys to bundle multiple rules together. A group key is a unique code assigned to multiple rules to combine them into a single call. This is perfect for creating a complete the look block that features a mix of items like a blazer, a top, and a bag, all in one display. Simply assign the key and set the priority to determine the order within the group. Click Save and exit. Part 3. Manual recommendations. This option gives you total control by allowing you to handpick the exact items you want to showcase. Click New and select Manual. Provide a name. Under the Selection tab, you choose the mandatory category and then manually select the specific items to include in the recommendation. To summarize, use Featured to highlight products on your homepage or to showcase add-on items in the shopping cart. Use up and cross-selling to increase your average order value by displaying similar or alternative products on your product pages. Use manual for full control over which specific items are displayed. Good luck optimizing your shop with these new recommendation tools.